everyone, welcome back to another video. You watching my YouTube channel The Yes Craft, where you will see crafted DIY and waste material DIY, home decorated areas, etc. videos only on my YouTube channel. So today we will make lotus lipan art, and this is a very beautiful and very unique lipan art and enhance very easy lipan art. So let's start. So first of all, we have to take a MDF board that cut it in a lotus shape. That enhance the lotus shape with the help of a molded dry clay, and then paint in your favorite color. Paste the mirror of your style, and remember, I can decorate to my liking, you can decorate to your choice. And listen to me carefully. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon, and on which topic you want the next video, please tell me in the comment box. I hope you understand what I am saying. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.